careful. Okay, so
For mine. If you want, my battery's dead. I can shoot with stills if you want.
okay, attention. So in this courtyard, there is three churches. There is three churches. So Beta Mariam, House of Mary, the first project of King Lalibela, the oldest church. The other Beta Mescal, House of Cross, north part of Saint Mary Church or semi-monolith church, only one face church. And here, Beta Mescal, Beta Denagel, House of Virgin. There is a pentagon church. In this courtyard, there is three churches. So January 7th, that's Ethiopian Christmas time. As you have seen by media, by postcard, after the mass, the church scholars, they are forming two groups. Some of church scholars, they are standing in the ground, they make a circle. That's symbolic of shepherd of Bethlehem. The others, they are going to on the top of the cliff. They make a line. That's symbolic of angel of heaven. Angel of heaven. And the other many priests and deacons, they are holding different decorating umbrella and processional cross. Processional cross. And many priests, they are wearing different ceremonial robe. Most of the robes, that's ornamented by silver. Most of the umbrellas, that's ornamented by silver. So when you see here, there is different windows, especially the first rectangular windows, that's symbolic of Trinity, Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. The next, that's symbolic of when Jesus came to on the earth, the third, the womb of Saint Mary, the last, the crucifixion of Jesus. When Jesus was crucified, the two robbers or bandits, they were crucified with him. The one is on his right and the one is on his left. So Jesus said on his right, you are a good man and you will visit heaven before Adam. That's small windows are symbolic of heaven. Whereas also the return on the left side, you are not good man, you go down the hell and heaven. Because Jesus, he was crucified east-west oriented. So this part is on his right hand and the other on his left hand. So this is the baptismal place of the successor of King Lalibela, the nephew of King Lalibela. His name is Saint Naakutolab. We'll go that cave church is tomorrow after lunch. So he was baptized here. And the other part is, look, there is another windows on the top. That's symbolic of the ascension of Jesus. Jesus was ascended 40 days after his resurrection. Jesus was ascended 40 days after his resurrection. አሁን እንደዚህ እናደርግ። አሁን ሰዓቱን ስለሌሉ ስለተዘጋጁ ቤተክርስቲያኖቹ ከላይ ቪውን ብቻ እንይና ከዛ እንመለስ። So now the church just closed. So now we'll go on the top. We'll have nice view. The 360 degree and the first northern cluster church. Then we'll back to hotel because almost now 5. Yeah, time is up and the church has so now we'll go on the top. Okay. For view.
We can be okay when it's fine.
Just chase it.
I know.
Oh,
Sorry.
hold on. I know what you're saying.